You've surely found yourself wishing for more discipline at times, yet always succumbing to distractions and procrastination. The feeling of being trapped in this cycle can be frustrating. But the good news is there's a solution. In this video, you'll learn the secrets to unlock the power of discipline and master your mind, hacking your own mind to achieve your goals with determination and effectiveness. Let's get started. To achieve success and personal fulfillment, we often face a crucial choice: discipline or regret. A thriving and successful life is often directly linked to the ability to make disciplined decisions and move forward, even when faced with challenges and temptations. Discipline is a virtue that requires constant effort and commitment. Even when we clearly know what needs to be done to achieve our goals, we often encounter internal resistance that prevents us from taking action. It's easy to give in to the whims of the moment or postpone important tasks for the future, but this often results in regret later on. On the other hand, we deeply admire those individuals who demonstrate a high level of discipline in their lives. They are individuals who have the determination and willpower necessary to do what needs to be done, even when it's not easy. They follow a strict routine, set clear goals, and work diligently to achieve them, without being distracted by obstacles or temptations. When choosing between discipline and regret, we must consider the long-term impact of our choices. Discipline may be difficult in the moment, but the long-term benefits are immeasurable. It is the key to personal growth, professional development, and the realization of our deepest dreams. So, the next time you find yourself faced with the choice between discipline and regret, remember the transformative power of discipline. Choose to act with determination and commitment, knowing that each disciplined step will bring you closer to your goals and a truly meaningful life. Building discipline is like building a solid foundation for success in all areas of life. It's not just a trait that some have and others don't, but rather a skill that can be cultivated and honed over time. Here are some important considerations on how to build and strengthen your discipline. First, the importance of small things. We often underestimate the power of small daily actions in shaping our future. Discipline in small things, like waking up early, exercising regularly, or dedicating time to learn something new, is crucial for achieving great long-term success. It's these consistent habits that create the foundation for lasting success. Second, a personal choice. Discipline cannot be imposed from the outside. It's a personal choice that requires commitment and determination. It's the decision to take responsibility for our actions and move forward, even when faced with obstacles or temptations. By making this conscious choice, we're building the foundations of a disciplined and fulfilled life. And third, maintaining focus until it becomes habit. Defining discipline as the ability to maintain focus on tasks until they become habits is crucial. It's the ability to prioritize what's important and dedicate time and energy to these activities until they become second nature. When something becomes a habit, it requires less conscious effort, allowing you to direct your discipline towards new goals and challenges. So, as you build your discipline, remember to value the small daily victories, make conscious choices that lead you towards your goals, and maintain focus until tasks become ingrained habits. With persistence and determination, you'll be on the right path to achieving great successes and a truly fulfilling life. A dynamic morning activation routine can be the boost you need to start the day with energy and purpose. Here's a suggestion for a routine that can aid in personal development and discipline building. Gratitude and visualization. Start the day by expressing gratitude for what you have in life. Take a few minutes to reflect on the things you're grateful for and visualize your day positively. This will help set a positive and motivating mindset for the rest of the day. Physical exercise. Dedicate time to exercise early in the morning. This could be a brisk walk, yoga, running, or any other activity that helps wake up your body and mind. Physical exercise not only improves your overall health, but also boosts your energy and concentration for the day ahead. Reading or study. Set aside time to read something inspiring or educational. It could be a personal development book, an interesting article, or even watching a motivational talk. This helps expand your horizons, stimulates creative thinking, and fuels your personal growth. Day planning. Make a brief plan for your day, outlining the priority tasks you want to accomplish. This helps maintain focus and organization, ensuring you make the most of your time and energy. Meditation or mindfulness practice. End your morning routine with a few minutes of meditation or mindfulness practice. This helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace that you can carry with you throughout the day. By following this dynamic morning activation routine, you're emphasizing a focus on daily progress and transforming actions into habits. Each step of this routine contributes to your personal development and the building of a more meaningful and satisfying life. Remember, the secret lies in consistency and dedication to making these habits an integral part of your daily life. The relationship between discipline and motivation is crucial for achieving success and personal fulfillment. While both play important roles in our lives, it's the dynamic interaction between them that often determines our long-term progress and and success. Here are some ways to leverage this relationship to maximize your potential. Alternate between motivation and discipline. Recognize that motivation and discipline are not limitless resources. There will be times when you feel highly motivated and energized to act towards your goals, and times when motivation is scarce and discipline is needed to push forward. The key is learning to alternate between these states, capitalizing on motivation when it's present and resorting to discipline when necessary. Harness high motivation moments. When you find yourself highly motivated, it's the ideal time to implement routines and habits that will bring you closer to your goals. Seize this extra energy to set clear goals, create an action plan, and take the first steps towards success. These moments of high motivation can be incredibly powerful in propelling your progress and laying a solid foundation for the future. Cultivate discipline in low motivation moments. It won't always be easy to stay motivated and focused on your goals. It's during these low motivation moments that discipline becomes especially important. Cultivate discipline to keep moving forward even when motivation is low. Remember your goals, stay committed to your action plan, and trust in your ability to overcome any obstacles that come your way. By recognizing the interaction between motivation and discipline and learning to harness this relationship effectively, you'll be on the right path to achieving your goals and creating the life you desire. Remember that both are valuable resources in your pursuit of self-development and success, and learning to balance and leverage each of them is essential to reaching your full potential. Creating non-negotiable habits is a powerful strategy to ensure consistency and progress towards your goals, even in moments when motivation wanes. Here are some tips on how to effectively implement this practice. Maintain a consistent routine. Even when motivation is low, it's important to maintain a consistent routine. This means waking up and going to bed at the same times every day, allocating time for physical activities, healthy eating, work, and rest. A well-established routine helps create structure and discipline in your life, making it easier to stay focused and avoid distractions. Establish essential habits as non-negotiables. Identify the essential habits that are critical to your well-being and long-term success and make them non-negotiable. This could include things like regular exercise, healthy eating, quality time with family, and personal development. By establishing these habits as non-negotiable priorities, you ensure that they remain a fundamental part of your life, regardless of circumstances. Create support systems. To help maintain your non-negotiable habits, create support systems that make it easier to adhere to them. This could include finding an accountability partner for exercising, meal prepping healthy meals in advance, or scheduling quality time with family in your calendar. Having a support system in place makes it easier to stay focused and consistent even in moments when motivation is low. Stay committed. Remember that your non-negotiable habits are an essential part of who you are and what you want to achieve. Stay committed to following them even in moments when it feels challenging. Remember your goals and the positive impact these habits have on your life, and use that as motivation to keep moving forward even when the path seems difficult. By implementing non-negotiable habits in your life, you're building a solid foundation for long-term success. By maintaining a consistent routine, establishing essential habits as non-negotiable priorities, and creating support systems to help adhere to them, you'll be on the right path to achieving your goals and creating the life you desire. Overcoming obstacles such as lack of motivation, energy, and procrastination may seem challenging, but with practical techniques and suitable tools, it is possible to achieve your goals. Here are some effective strategies you can implement in your daily life. Set up an anti-procrastination routine. A well-structured routine can help combat procrastination. Start by identifying the tasks you tend to postpone and establish specific times to accomplish them. Break down these tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and schedule each of them into your daily routine. By creating a clear and defined action plan, you'll reduce the likelihood of procrastination and increase your productivity. Utilize the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a simple yet effective tool for boosting productivity and combating procrastination. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work intensely on a task during that period. After the 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle several times. These intervals of concentrated work followed by short breaks help maintain focus and energy throughout the day. Establish an accountability partnership. Find someone with whom you can share your goals and track your progress. This could be a friend, coworker, or mentor. Set clear goals and share them with your accountability partner. Regularly check in with each other to ensure you're both fulfilling your commitments and achieving your goals. Mutual support and accountability can be extremely motivating and help maintain focus and discipline. By implementing these practical techniques into your life, you'll be equipped to overcome the obstacles that may arise on the path to achieving your goals. Remember that progress won't always always be linear, and it's normal to face setbacks from time to time. The key is to stay committed to your personal development and keep moving forward, one step at a time. With persistence and determination, you'll reach the success you aim for.